It doesn't matter if you're just starting out or ready to rule the galaxy. We have a plan for you.
Just getting your systems in place? I've got everything you need.
This plan replaces dozens of tools and unifies everything into one login.
You need artificial intelligence, but you don't know where to begin. I do it all for you.
Upgrade to AI Workforce Plan. We'll train AI on your business, and it'll work 24/7 to convert your leads into booked appointments and sales.
When you're ready to dominate your market, I'll take you the rest of the way.
Elite Plan for those who want a system built around their vision, or just pick any single feature or workflow. And yes, it includes a full CRM to run your business.
It's okay to start small.
No matter your industry, size, or stage, we got you.